A good vacuum cleaner or stick vac is the tool of choice to remove dust, pet hair, lint, and food crumbs from your carpets, area rugs, and upholstery. But simply vacuuming these soft household fabrics often isn't enough. Finding the perfect carpet cleaners can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best carpet cleaners from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet Cleaner. Another worthy pick from Bissell, the Little Green machine has racked up millions of views on social media, as users call it accolades like life-changing and incredible. When we put it to the test, we were just as impressed by its cleaning prowess. While it's admittedly better for smaller messes, like a spilled glass of wine and homes without extensive carpet, the machine evenly mists surfaces with cleaning solution and has incredible suction power, sucking it all back up, stain included, into the large dirty water tank. It's all powered by a single power button. There aren't any settings to contend with, making it one of the more intuitive carpet cleaners we tested. During our evaluations, we were able to clean up red wine from a white shag rug in less than 60 seconds. Tougher messes, like sticky peanut butter and thick melted chocolate, required 2 rounds of pre-treating. The brand recommends their own solution. Others void the warranty and a fair amount of elbow grease, but eventually succumb to the machine. It is too loud to comfortably carry on a conversation while cleaning, but that's a small price to pay for the efficacy, not to mention pretty common among carpet cleaners. Number 2. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. This is not your everyday carpet cleaner. It's a big, serious machine for big, serious cleaning jobs. But if you want the kind of results that mimic a professional job and have the space to store a machine this large, then we can't recommend Bissell's Big Green enough. The hefty price and size, it weighs more than 50 pounds, are intimidating, but the suction power is unrivaled. Despite the weight, our tester remarked on how effortlessly it glided across her carpet. It worked wonders in an area where dogs regularly snooze and soil. In fact, our tester noted the shampooed area was a completely different shade of beige than the rest of her rug. Unfortunately, you will have to move furniture to clean wall to wall. Because the tank is so large, the machine doesn't fit under furniture. It does, however, come with a 9-foot hose attachment that can help you reach stairs, tight spaces, and tackle upholstery. If you frequently rent commercial machines for deep cleaning, this will be a worthwhile investment. It's perfect for very large, open rooms with wall-to-wall carpet or area rugs, and for homes with accident-prone pets or kids. Number 3. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. This pick might throw you for a loop. What about the Bissell Little Green machine, right? While we did really love the Little Green machine for its small size and portability, we ultimately had more success lifting stains with the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. And even though the Rug Doctor is larger and heavier, it weighs as much as many upright models. It is still highly portable thanks to a retractable handle and wheels that allow you to cart it around the house with minimal effort. In tests, the Rug Doctor outperformed all portable models we evaluated. It cleared red wine in a matter of minutes, leaving no visible signs or odor behind. Cleaning peanut butter required a bit more effort, but ultimately got the job done in about 5 minutes. On the downside, the large capacity 128-ounce dirty water tank has a small opening that makes it hard to thoroughly rinse. Number 4. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus. The Bissell's iteration of the upright carpet cleaner is designed with pet owners in mind, and our tester, a parent of 2 border collie mixes and 2 young adults, has relied on this machine for years, noting it expertly removes stubborn stains and general dinginess from rugs. The 17.5-pound machine features 2 128-ounce tanks, one for clean water and another for dirty water, making it one of the largest machines on our list. Our tester said that doesn't affect maneuverability, though. In fact, our tester says the appliance has no trouble reaching underneath furniture, something most models can't do. A nozzle and brush cover pop off with ease, so you can remove built-up pet hair, a huge pro for our tester, who said combing out fur and dirt is essential to keeping the machine running smoothly. The biggest downside is that the dirty water tank has a very small opening, making it difficult to fully rinse out. We weren't all that impressed with the upholstery nozzle either. It's finicky and uncomfortable to use. Number 5. Tinico Carpet One Smart Carpet Cleaner Machine. Tinico's Carpet One Smart Carpet Cleaner boasts incredible technology that blew our testers away. The carpet cleaner, which has an easy-to-read LCD screen and voice prompts that walk you through the cleaning process, automatically adjusts water flow and suction power according to how much of a mess it detects. The voice will also alert you when you need to empty the dirty water tank, refill the clean water tank, and even when the surface is fully clean. The appliance also has a built-in heater to dry carpets post-clean, so you walk away with a clean, dry carpet in record time. In our tests, this was, hands down, the most efficient model. It sucked red wine up in less than 2 minutes and cleared smeared peanut butter in less than 3 minutes. Other models required 5 or more minutes. At 16.5 pounds, the machine is lighter than most, making it exceptionally easy to maneuver, even as the tank fills. It also has a smaller footprint than most upright models, so it's easier to store. Yes, it's more expensive than most, but if spills and stains are frequent in your home, this machine is definitely worth the investment. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.